How to make Instagram story better quality. If you want to upload a better quality story on Instagram, now there are a couple of settings that we can customize for this. So first of all, go to your profile page on Instagram, then tap on the three lines icon, which you can see from the very top right hand side. And when you've done that, you'll find a couple of other options. And what we want to do from here is to actually scroll and look for this option called data usage and media quality and tap on it. Here you can see the option called upload at highest quality. For some reason, Instagram turns this off by default. So you have to manually turn this setting on. Now, when we've done that, next time whenever you're uploading a story, first of all, make sure that the photo or the video that you're trying to upload to Instagram itself is in a fairly higher quality than the rest of the stuff. So once you make sure that the picture itself is in a high quality, you can just tap on it. You can make some customizations, and when you're uploading the story, make sure you do not disconnect yourself from the internet. Otherwise, it will basically compress the quality of the story. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.